How to download Disney Plus app on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Safari and then search for Disney Plus. And after opening up Disney Plus, since it doesn't have any specific or official app for the Mac or the PC, you would have to simply click on this option of file at the top and then select this option of add to dock. And here you can just simply name it accordingly and also change the URL according to your needs and requirements or your preference. And you can do this with any other app as well and click on this option of add, and it will be added to the dock section, and you would be able to access it quite easily from dock quite easily. And you can also search it up by opening up the Spotlight and by just simply typing up Disney Plus, and it will give you the option. So this way you would be able to open it up quite easily as well. And if you want to remove it, simply first quit it and then drag and drop it in the bin section. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.